I go out on a limb for you guys, you have no idea. My tutorial series isn't even supposed to start yet. However, I couldn't find any gold tutorials, so thought I'd show you myself. This is what you're after. A shiny gold. And here's a pony to stare at you for the next 5 minutes. Fine, I'll show you the gold. Here is the gold. Take as much as you like. Fine, I will teach you how to make the gold. As you can see, I have 3 gold bars. This is a Blinn, this is a Pong, and this is a Mental Ray. So let's just get rid of the gold texture. Or number 1. If it'll do it. Assign material number 1. There we go. Anyway, let's start with the pen. Right. You're gonna have to go over to rendering. Go to the Blinn texture and click Blinn. Then in the color section, click color, and you're aiming for kind of this kind of area on the color wheel, and about halfway up, maybe less, maybe more up the color wheel, kind of there, around that kind of area. Next we have the Pong, which is pretty much the same. If you're gonna be a little bit of a cheat, just click the color wheel and click your latest color curation, which will be down here. It'll be on the far left. Just click that. You have 2 bars of gold. 1 in Blinn, 1 in Pong. Mental Ray, on the other hand, is slightly more difficult. Before we do this, you should make sure your Mental Ray is turned on. So go to Window, Settings and Preferences, Plugin Manager, and make sure Mental Ray, Maya to Mental Ray is turned on. Loaded and auto load. Refresh and close. And that your Mental Ray is turned on in your render settings. There we go. Right. Now go to Window, Rendering Editors, and Hypershade. It may take some time. Oh, it's done. Right, go to Mental Ray Materials and click, you want MRKX, which is here. It'll come up red. Double click that and then go in the Attributes editor to your base color, and same as before, go to about here, excuse me, and then in your lit color go up to a higher color in the spectrum, maybe yellow, maybe a bit lighter, maybe about there. No, maybe there. I don't know, so somewhere in the yellow spectrum will do. Anywhere in the yellow spectrum. Then you need to go down to Fake Reflect and change that to 1. Right, this is either going to go really well or really bad. That was Mental Ray from before, this is my one now. Let's just make sure I got this right. Yep. Seems okay. Close that. Click your object, right click, assign materials, and click the one you've just created. Then go to your render and render. Oh, that isn't fair. Right, after the stress of that crash, I did realise that I may have done something a little bit wrong. Just a little bit. It's still right, it's just not the same texture I used for Mental Ray. Oh, what's going on here? Control. Bevel. 4 segments. Apply. And that's how I made my bar of gold, if anyone was wondering. Right. Let's try this again. So, window. Sensor preferences, plugin manager. Make sure my Mental Ray is turned on, which it isn't, because I crashed. Turn my Mental Ray on in here. Mental Ray. Indirect lighting. Is it done yet? Ah, there we go. Right. Global illumination, final gathering. Right. Temp 2. Temp shade. More waiting. The computer's hinting at me he needs an upgrade. Anyway, go to Mental Ray Materials and it's MR Metallic. Well, Mental Ray Metallic Paint X. Not car. Very similar, but that's more kind of a car kind of shine like you get on a vehicle. This is more of a metal. So just click that, and same as before, double click it, go into base color, go up into that kind of gold spectrum-y color, maybe up a little bit, and same again with the lit color, over to the yellow, like that, and then down to fake reflect, and change it to 1. Now, hopefully, if I've done this right, this time, assign the color, get some zoom in on it. Cross my fingers, don't crash, don't crash, don't crash, don't crash, don't crash. Please don't crash. Ah, thank you. Right, and here is your gold. This was a Dark Caber tutorial, and other than that crash, it all went pretty well. Try and watch my other tutorial videos when I get the series started, and I'm going to bed. Night.